Hi, I'm Adriana, and today I'm going to show you why you need MyViewer Direct. When a presenter is trying to illustrate their laptop screen to an audience immediately while annotating on it, they might use a second display. However, they have a better choice. Today, we have a great solution for you. MyViewer Direct, a screen sharing box with picture-in-picture. Through MyViewer Direct, no matter if you're presenting or participating, you can share your laptop screen on any whiteboarding environment on any PC-based interactive display. So here we have two ports, HDMI in and USB out. Connect your laptop to the HDMI in and an interactive display to the USB out. Make sure to download the Direct app on the Microsoft Store. And also make sure the installation is successful. I also assume you already installed MyViewer software on your interactive display. So let's go ahead and open MyViewer. On the function bar, we have the cast tool. So click on it, and then we can start casting. As you can see, through automatic detection, the video on my laptop is already displaying on my viewboard environment. You can also see that we have some options here to interact with the video. So we have the pen, the eraser, we also have a screen capture, but my favorite one is called Always on Top. So no matter if I click outside of MyViewer Direct, I can also click outside of it here, and the display of the video it's gonna remain on top of the screen. Now let's go back to my viewboard, and I want to show you other tools that are also very important. For example, here we have annotation. I can write on my viewboard. I can select a variety of styles. Let's do this and create a complete illustration. Right? I also have other tools, for example, multimedia import. So you can see here a variety of things that you can import into my viewer. And also we have screen captured and video recording to make your presentations more interactive. So isn't it this very convenient to make a presentation, making it also engaging and interactive? Now let's take a look to the benefits and features to MyViewer Direct. Extend a presenter screen to MyViewer canvas. Presentation with extended multimedia. I hope you like MyViewer Direct like me. Please contact ViewSonic local sales for purchasing information or go to our website, viewsonic.com.